What's up, everybody? Today we have a company that reached out to us and they wanted us to test their lights. Autoone is the company. We're going to put them in Adams Duramax, and they supposed to be pretty good lights. I've watched quite a few videos on them.
They're LEDs.
Yeah. So we're going to do an unboxing on them.
I do an unboxing right here while we're standing here.
Yeah.
I'm like a Christmas kid.
Here.
They're 9005 HB3 or H11. I guess they all do the same thing.
Packaging's good.
Yeah. I'll just flip that over and show you what's in there.
Oh man, you got all kinds of bulbs.
Yeah.
Looks like high beam and low beam, I'm assuming.
I would assume, but it says 9005 only, and my bottom lights are not 9005. So more than likely these are, for some reason, both low beam, because my bottom lights are 9007.
All right, well, we can put those in and let them know.
Well, yeah, we'll find out here real quick.
Okay. Well, let's go drive with your stock bulbs and see how they are, and then we'll come back and put two of those in.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna wait for just a second until this car passes. We're on a backcountry road. You can see how his halogen bulbs do.
Would you like me to show what my brights are?
He does have LED high beams, and they look like this.
We'll switch them out to this guy's.
So I'd say right about as dark as it's gonna get. Excuse my shakiness. All right, well, we'll head back and we'll swap them out. Oh, and we were wrong when we read the box. It did have high beam and low beam, so it had the what were they? H11
Yeah,
and
9005, and the box said plus H11, so
okay.
I was reading it wrong.
Yeah, 100% wrong. All right, here they are. This is just the low beams, and there's the high beams. So he did have LED high beams in. But he didn't have LED low beams. So the low beams are phenomenal. They work pretty good. The high beams, his old ones kind of seemed like they flooded more. These are pretty crisp, and right now it's hard to tell what we like better in the high beams. But the low beams, they're fantastic. This kit I think is around $66-ish.
We'll call it 70 probably.
Yeah, we'll call it probably 70. Yeah, highly worth it. Man, just look at that. They look good.
High beams.
Yeah.
Low beams, typical projector. Bam!
Man. Highly recommend. Make sure you guys subscribe.
To Two Mostly Bald Guys.
Yeah. Hit that subscribe button. Click the like button. Click the dislike button.
Ding the bell.
Tell us what you think of the lights. Find us on Facebook. Get a hold of us if you have any products you'd like us to review for you. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Get your lights from Autoone.com. One more thing. Wasn't quite done. Anyways, in checkout, if you go to the link in the description below, make sure you enter a coupon code, 2 Mostly Bald Guys, just how our channel name is. The number 2 Mostly Bald Guys, no spaces. Use that, you'll get 15% off. So make sure you do that. And Autoone.com, use the link below, coupon code number 2 Mostly Bald Guys, 15% off at checkout. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.